morning. Welcome once again to this online session with the new topic. The topic is soft C and G. It means soft C and soft G in English language, how to pronounce these soft letters. Please open page number 82 according to your original book. If you have any problem regarding page numbers, so you can search the same topic, the soft C and G. So we have to repeat these 20 words before starting those 20 sentences, which we have to put in fill in the blanks these words. Which, so in which we have G, soft G. Beige, ons, soft C. Arrange, strange, circus, soft C at the beginning. Center, glance, sponge, cement, orange, once, germs, village, police, ginger, scene, bridge, certain, spice. So my dear students, you would have observed the soft C letter in these words as well as soft G letters in these words. Now starting from part A, write the spelling word that belongs with the other words in each group. So the words in red color are the answer being taken from the above 20 words with soft G or soft C. First, uniform, guard, beige. 2. Look, see, glance. 3. Carnival, fair, circus. 4. Cooking, flavoring, spice. 5. Play, act, scene. 6. Siren, crime, police. 7. Virus, sickness, germs. 8. Odd, unusual, strange. Now moving to part B, write the spelling word that best completes each sentence. Sentence number 9. I need a damp sponge to clean the kitchen counter. 10. The workers poured cement for the new sidewalk. 11. Do you want a banana or an orange for your snack? 12. Just 1 ounce of mint flavoring goes a long way. So ounce is measurement, is a word which used for the measurement. the quantity of something. 13. The spice ginger is good for an upset stomach. So upset, disturbed stomach, having a problem. 14. Are you certain that you do not need a hat today? 15. Help me arrange the chairs for the meeting tonight. 16. The center of a hurricane is calm and quiet. 17. Place the witch under the dresser to make it level. 18. You will have to pay a toll across the bridge. 19. There were many children in the village we visited. And last one, 20. Did you go to the market once or twice this week? Homework. Dear students, please complete the following pages as your homework. So pages 85 and 86, but if you have issue with finding the right pages, then you have to look at the top of your page, spelling plural on 85 page, as well as on 86, spelling plural. And both on these pages on the top you would find spelling plural as a topic. Thank you very much and have a nice day.